We all know the beauty of our nature. Nature is a gift that has developed life on earth for millions of years. Its beauty is not just a visual treasure but a lifeline for all species, including plants, animals, and also humans, each part playing its important role to keep the earth alive. Nature's beauty is not just in how it's look but in how it's work. Like forests give us oxygen and they are the lungs of the earth. They clean the air we breathe and provide homes for countless species. They are home to millions of species, including plants, animals, and the fungi. The rivers, lake, and ocean are not just beautiful but vital. Oceans regulate the planet temperature while rivers sustain agricultural land and forest. Crystal clear lakes and flowing rivers provide habitat for aquatic life and drinking water for millions of peoples. Mountains stand tall, protecting us and influencing our weather. Desert, grasslands, and wetlands each have their unique beauty and the purpose. But our environment is getting damaged with time, and also this is happening only due to humans' activities like deforestation, in which forests are being cut to make the cities, farms, and industries. And if forests continue to be cut like this, the air becomes polluted, the soil dries out, and many species disappear forever. And the industrial pollution, this happens because factory produce items we use daily, but they also release harmful gases and chemicals that affect us. While waste dumped in rivers kill fishes and other aquatic life. And the other one is climate change is happening because the earth temperature is rising due to greenhouse gases produced by burning coal, oil, and gas. This causes ice to melt, sea level to rise, and weather pattern to change. Among all these, there is one more cause effect which harms the environment, and that is mining. Mining is extracting ore or mineral from the ground, and the ore is natural mineral with a high concentration of economical valuable minerals, and mining is a grid up and the process of ore to be sold for a profit. Some of the ore viably know and mine minerals range from precious metal like gold and other metals like copper and nickel, which is widely used for construction and manufacturing. People have been mining or removing useful variable material from the earth for thousands of years, and mining takes place all over the world. A mineral found by a mining are used for manufacture of the thousands of goods we use every day. This includes metal for the manufactured machines such as engine. Minerals are used in final manufacturing to such as electronic things like mobile phones, but not everywhere suitable for mining. So let's see how mining works and the what are the different methods of mining. There are different methods and each has specific techniques and application. There is a surface mining, and the example of surface mining are open cut mining. Open cut mining dig up into the earth creating a large hole. From There the mining are removed. Gold and copper are often mined using this method, and gold ridge mine or a Godrel canal is an example of open cut mining. Strip mining, as the name describes, strip or remove the earth top layer to gather the mineral close to the surface. Nickel and bauxite are commonly mined using this method and is commonly used in coal mining. And there is alluvial mining. Alluvial mining is extracting metals, often gold, from the sediments, sand or gravel. There are is in which offer alluvial mining is done by an individual of small good. Another widely used shallow mining is coal underground mining. As the name suggests, the mining is work underground, drilling into the earth, searching for the removing the minerals. The deepest underground mining in South Africa and reach nearly 4 centimeters into the earth.
A new frontier,
or
development
mining is deep sea mining. Deep sea mining present unique opportunity but also significant challenges. They do that a special underground machine is lower to the sea floor, but it coop up the earth. A deep sea mining is emerging as a potential solution to resource scarcity. Let's see what mining is all about. Let's talk about types of mining.
This right here is what this whole operation is after.
Let's talk about coal mining. Coal mining is the process of extracting coal, a fossil fuel, from the earth to be used as an energy source and the raw material from the various industries. It is one of the oldest and the most important forms of mining.
Or reclaimed surface mines.
The Central Appalachian landscape has been fundamentally changed. And it's been changed in a way that it's not going to recover from. Those mountains are not going to grow back.
But the mining industry believe it concern overstarted. Coal mining playing a key role in electricity generation, steel production and various industrial process. So the gold mining. In the main of central of Uzbekistan, you see a massive circular convey surrounded by nothing but desert. You see the trucks driving and people find out the golds. The 20% of gold come from the artisanal and the small scale miner who often work illegally using toxic chemicals such as mercury. And the 15 million people work in this sector, including more than 6 lakh children in over 70 countries. Gold is found in veins, within rocks, in alluvial deposits, in river beds, or mixed with other minerals. So let's talk about copper mining. Copper mining is the process of extracting copper, a valuable and versatile metal, from the earth. It is widely used in construction, electrical wiring, renewable energy system, and electricity. Copper mining involves locating copper-rich deposits, extracting the ore or processing it to produce pure copper for industrial use. And there are many other types like silver, which is used in jewelry, platinum, which is used in metals, and the sand mining. So, what are the impacts of mining? Mining activities impact our environment in many ways, including deforestation and land degradation. One of the serve consequences in the burning clearing of forests to make way for mining operations. This deforestation result in loss of biodiversity, destruction of wildlife. The example is Amazon strategy.
Has lost an area the size of Germany and France combined to deforestation in 4 decades. Let's show you this image. It's a map showing the scale of the Brazilian rainforest in 1985. The dark green section is the Amazon. Now, look at this. The same country in 2023, and you can see how much of the forest has disappeared.
Illegal and legal gold mining operation in the Amazon has caused extensive deforestation. In 2019, the Amazon expired a record number of fires with over 13,000 square kilometers of forest destroyed, and the 10% of mining was also involved in this strategy. We also faced a biodiversity loss. Mining disrupts ecosystem and leads to habitat destruction, pushing species to extinction. Rare or endemic species are particularly at risk. The example is Grasberg mine, Indonesia. The Grasberg gold and the copper mine located in a biodiversity hotspot in Papua has led to habitat loss for many unique species. The dumping of mine waste into nearby rivers has further degraded aquatic habitats. Water population from mining occurs through various processes that release harmful substances into nearby water bodies and groundwater system. Mining activity disturbs the earth's surface, exposing soil, rocks, and minerals that interact with water, leading to contamination. The example is Challing Pond Lee. One of the most infamous cases of a Trailing Ponds Lake occurs at the Mount Poly copper and gold mine in British Columbia, Canada on August 4, 2014. The disaster involved the catastrophic failure of a trailing dam, leading to one of the largest environmental mining disasters in Canadian history.
Welcome to Globe Now. It was a week ago that a dam failed at the Mount Poly mine in British Columbia. Millions of cubic meters of mining wastewater, quite possibly toxic, went rushing into nearby creeks, rivers, and lakes. What followed was a... What is the latest about the safety of the water for residents in that area?
So as you mentioned, there was initially a water ban put in place affecting up to 300 residents in and around the community of Likely. This meant no drinking the water, no Hazeltine Creek, so there's still an estimated 100.
The Trailing Ponds was storing more waste than it was designed to handle. This is one of the reasons why it has been leaked. The soil erosion is caused by mining is a critical environmental issue with long-term consequences for ecosystem, agriculture, and water resources. Mining often begins with the cleaning of forest, grassland, and other vegetation to access mineral deposit. The example is Appalachian Mountain in USA. The Appalachian Mountain in USA has been significantly affected by human activity, particularly coal mining, logging, and land development, which have leads to soil erosion and environmental degradation. The region known for its rich biodiversity and natural beauty face challenges due to this. They blasting the top of mountain to access coal seams. The air pollution. Mining release gases like sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, and carbon monoxide into the atmosphere. The extraction, transportation, and processing of minerals release harmful particulates and gases into the atmosphere, affecting both environmental and human health. Mining activities such as blasting, drilling, and transporting materials generates large amount of dust. The example is Norilsk Nickel, Russia. This is the one of the most polluted city in the world and the also largest mining and metallurgical company in the world, headquartered in Norilsk. It is the global leader in the production of nickel, palladium, and other metals like copper and cobalt. Mining operation, while crucial to global metal production, has caused severe air pollution in the surrounding region, affected human health, wildlife, and the environment. A question arises that what can be do to stop the impact due to this mining process? Then the answer to be is of mining company should be required to restore land after mining operation crisis. This involve revegetation like planting native trees and vegetation and ensuring soil fertility and water quality and restore. I have take one case study on Aravali Biodiversity Park. When we went on the field trip, when we explored the Aravali Biodiversity Park, those located in Delhi, Vasant Kunj, and know that there was a mining area before 2002. Sand mining used to be done here.
The Aravalis are supposed to be the oldest mountain range in the world. Their age varies from 2 to 3 billion years, which is 2,000 to 3,000 million years old. And what you can see here is an example of a well-preserved Aravali forest. We are standing in Mangarbani.
And the people there protested a lot to stop the mining, just like there was Chipko movement. Similarly, there were protests here to convert the mining area into a biodiversity park, and that
मैंने जो बदलाव जो देखा है फॉरेस्ट के साथ कि एक पूरी जो कम्युनिटी विलेज कम्युनिटी 10-15 साल पहले ज़्यादातर जो लोग थे वो पशुपालन बेस पे थे, उनका सारा जो सोर्स था वो पशुपालन था और वो हर तरह से जो है फॉरेस्ट पे डिपेंड करते थे। और इस बीच में जो है फिर माइनिंग का पीरियड आया, सब लोग माइनिंग में इन्वॉल्व हो गए। और 2003 में जब माइनिंग बंद हुई तो ज़्यादातर लोग जो है नौकरी पेशा हो गए हैं, अब गुड़गांव में नौकरी कर रहे हैं। तो अगर हम इसको उसमें देखें तो एक पशुपालन जो कम्युनिटी थी वो मजदूर उसमें कन्वर्ट हो करके और अब जो है एक नौकरी पेशा वर्ग में
And after 2002, work started to make a biodiversity park, and there today a very good biodiversity park has been made there.
I have been working in this park, Aravali Biodiversity Park, for last 8 years now. We have added close to 200 species of plants in this park, and today it has become a habitat for birds, lots of animals, and people.
And there are many different species, some from India and some from outside countries like sambar deer from South Asia, and different variety of butterfly as well.
We involved people of the city. So all plantation was with the school children, with the corporates who were funding us. Their employees used to come and plant. and everybody who lives in this city has some kind of an attachment because they have come and planted at the Aravalli Garden.
So that's all about how we can save our environment from being impacted by mining.